So we're here at the QT Hotel for our anniversary. It was 7 years ago that we got married. We've been together for a very long time though. We're gonna go shopping. We've got the good stuff. Ice cream. So it's time to lose these quarantine kilos. Here we are. We're at the QT. This is our room. It's very cool. And out here is the Queen Victoria building in Sydney. A little coffee machine. Who doesn't like having a little sticky beak in the mini bars? We've got some drinks. There's our bags. And it's the great red room. That's so funny. And then we're going to check out. Here I am, hi. You can't really see it actually because it's so dark in here because it's freezing, unfortunately. I wish it wasn't. And we've got this cool little area, and then we go into the bathroom. Check out that bath. I'll be in there tonight. Shower, bathroom. Oh, there you go, now you can see my dress. It's got a little tie there. Very cute. And hubby's going to go and park the car, so I'm just waiting for him and we're going to go shopping. So we're here at the QT Hotel for our anniversary. It was 7 years ago that we got married. We've been together for a very long time though. Definitely met and then had kids and then got married. So we couldn't afford it earlier than that. So that's what happened, but we got married and it was awesome. We actually could have our 2 babies in the wedding. So my daughter was a flower girl and my son was a page boy, and it was my husband and I, so we had a family wedding, which was absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I'm just waiting for him to come back. So we've got the Louis Vuitton sneakers on, got my De Cuba denim jacket with the gold buttons, I love this one. And then, let's see, it's actually, I'll show you with the jacket off. So my dress is from Hello Molly. It's got little puffy sleeves. It's nice and warm. Of course it's been 30 degrees all week, and then as soon as we go away, it's gone down to like 18 degrees. So it's actually quite cold and really, really windy. Here he is, he's arrived. Yeah, so it's been really, really warm all week, and then now we're freezing. And of course I only pack dresses, so we'll have to see how we go. There you go. Just wanted to take the time to mention that the coming up scenes in the shopping centre, I do need to do a voiceover as there's background music and YouTube does not like that. First up is the food court on the top level of Westfields in Sydney, and these are delicious. I'm trying to get the two of us. Man with the goods. What do we got? Ooh. Good? It's worth the calories. Oh, it's hard. Let's go to Chanel, shall we? It's all winter stock, so nothing was too exciting, unfortunately. Some sandals, but nothing my style. Although the bags are always gorgeous, but ridiculously overpriced. Oh, I love those ones though. David Jones time. Top floor. Let's go see what's up there. And here is heaven. Ah, it's got all of them, everything in one place. My favorite. Dior had some beautiful things there. Those leather sandals, I would love those. And the pink ones are gorgeous. I really did fall in love with a lot of things in Dior. This guy was so beautiful. I loved him. He played beautifully. David Jones food hall. So many yummy things. They've got the most beautiful things at David Jones food hall. We'll get one of those. I was going to this bit. Christmas. I'm going to come back and do a vlog when DJs has all their Christmas stuff out. But this makes me so excited. Get one of those. Mince pies. Oh yeah. That's so good. Does Christmas excite you guys as much as it does me? Oh, it's my favorite time of year. We found Christmas heaven. Everything is so beautiful. I love the deers. Oh, my daughter adores those too. Oh, the crackers. This must be the silver section. Kid stuff. Oh, the nutcrackers. They do kind of creep me out, I can't lie. That's such a cute Santa. I love his little face. Oh, and there's another scary one. Our little boy loves these. I need to get one especially for him. Wind it on the bottom. Oh, that's cute. What songs are you playing? There's some nice champagne flutes. I love one like that. Celebrating 7 years, we've got the good stuff. Here we go. Do you feel lucky, babe?
Mm-hmm. Get lucky or feel lucky?
Both. Just don't get the 7 year each, eh? Woo! Congratulations, we made it. 7 years in. Here is week 15's meal plan. We start the day with strawberry and cream protein smoothie. Snack 1 is apple and peanut butter. Lunch is a turkey, cranberry and walnut salad. Snack 2 is popcorn. Dinner is a ham and pineapple pizza. Woohoo! And dinner is ice cream. Here is breakfast week 15. I have a strawberries and cream smoothie, but I've actually added the whey protein in chocolate, so it's more of a chocolate strawberry protein smoothie. I sometimes add the honey if I do believe I'm sweet enough, to be honest with you, but sometimes I add in the honey, and if I use honey, I use the Manuka honey because it has medicinal purposes. I also add in my 4 Brazil nuts as they support my immunity for the Hashimoto autoimmune disease that I have, which is a thyroid condition. It sounds really horrible, but it is, you know, but lots of people do have it, so it's just one of those things, unfortunately. But that's for breakfast. Here is the strawberries and cream protein smoothie. Yum. Here is snack 1, week 15. It's Bega Light peanut butter with a small apple. Here are the ingredients for week 15's lunch. We've got turkey breast, cranberries, walnuts, tomato, red onion, French dressing, baby spinach and rocket. A delicious turkey cranberry walnut salad. Here is the turkey walnut cranberry salad. This is right up my alley. Yum-o. Are you being noisy and barking? Stop barking, please. I wanted to show you my beautiful Jive Vasic cross. He's an artist from Byron Bay and I just adore it. It's got little tiny shells here, which are just so cute, and the little pom-poms. I just love that. And the crystal I got from Ishka, and the little candle in the back there is from Kmart. And here is snack 18, popcorn. Here are the ingredients for the ham and pineapple pizza. Here is the ham and pineapple pizza. I love pineapple on a pizza. Dessert week 15 is a YoPro salted caramel ice cream. Only 107 calories. Look how many orchids there are now. So many. Beautiful. So while we're at the beach, I thought I'd tell you my results for week 15. I'm down to 63.2 kilos, which I'm so happy about. Oh, might be too much noise. I thought I'd take this opportunity to tell you about my results this week. I'm excited. The kids are playing in the water at the beach. Hubby's there as well, so I just thought I'd let you know what my results are. Don't mind the noise. You can see them playing in the background there. In total I've lost 4.1 kilos, which I'm ecstatic about, but it was 100 grams. I'm definitely losing just very small amounts, but at least it's a loss. I'm really happy about that. In total I lost 2 centimeters off my hips and 1 centimeter off my arms this week. And in total I've lost, let's wait for the people to go past. Not a good idea doing this at the beach. In total I lost 4 centimeters off my arms, 21 centimeters off my hips, which is just amazing. I can't believe I had 21 extra centimeters on my hips. 13 centimeters off my waist and 10 centimeters off my thighs. So all in all, I've done pretty well. So I did have my blood test and I've had some pretty full-on results back, but I will go over that next week. So I hope you all have an awesome week. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. So the next are going to be in the future. In reality, these weeks I actually just worked every day and it was not exciting at all to vlog. So my husband and I went away for our anniversary and I did so much footage that it will cover over the next 3 weeks. So you'll get to see all of that. And I hope you really enjoyed coming. I hope you really enjoyed coming away with us. We had the best time. We'll see over the next 2 weeks. But I really hope you have a wonderful week, and please like and subscribe and join me over on Instagram, as everything will be there, all the meal plans and everything. And I just look forward to seeing you next week. Love to you all. Bye. I'm gonna go for a swim. It's so hot, it's like 32 degrees. It's summer, yay! Well, it's really spring, but summer, it's so summer. Anyway, love to you all. I hope you're great. Bye.
Join our family. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.